Sheetify Bookkeeping is our all-in-one and highly integrated Google Sheets bookkeeping template. In this brief video, I'm going to navigate through and share all the tools and features that you and your team can access to better manage your day-to-day bookkeeping activities. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and dive in. Here we are inside Sheetify Bookkeeping, this Google Sheets bookkeeping template. You'll arrive here once you've created a copy of your template. This is where you'll quickly learn how everything works inside Sheetify Bookkeeping. We also have dedicated tutorials to help you get started. Now, once you've navigated down to Setup and configured your settings in terms of income and expense categories, as well as starting period, currency, profit goals, and more, you can jump right into Income and start recording your income transactions as well as expense transactions. Now let's jump up to the custom menu. As mentioned, Sheetify Bookkeeping is integrated with your favorite Google apps, meaning that you can do cool things like sending your bookkeeping tasks in this template to your Google Task app. You can also quickly add a new expense transaction, income transaction, add owner's drawer, add a new task, or add a recurring transaction. For example, if we click on Add Income, that will automatically take you to this Income tab where you can record your transaction. If we jump up to our custom menu, you also have access to a built-in invoice generator and quote generator. Once you're set up, you can quickly do things like create a new invoice. You can also manage invoices. This will take you to a location in your Google Drive that holds all your invoices generated. You can also quickly create a new invoice with existing data. This allows you to generate invoices quickly. Then in just a few clicks, you can automatically send that invoice to your customer's email. And once you've been paid, you can automatically send the data to this Income tab. For example, let's jump down to Invoices. This is where you'll see all your invoices generated and quotes generated. Now you'll notice the different color options. This simply refers to the action that has been taken. For example, under Invoices, you can see the orange means that invoice has been sent. The green means you have marked that invoice as paid and it has automatically been sent to the Income tab. We've created many automations with the invoice and quote generator. Now let's navigate down to Owner's Drawer. This is where you can manage owner's distributions or owner's drawer when you've taken money out of the business. If we navigate down to Tasks, you can manage all your accounting related tasks. As mentioned, you can send these tasks from this bookkeeping template to your Google Task app. Then if we navigate across, we have analytics dashboards. We have a custom monthly dashboard to analyze your monthly performance, your annual performance. Then we have a 5-year dashboard, a custom dashboard, and a comparison dashboard. If we navigate across, you can manage your sales tax, balance sheet, and profit and loss statement. This is your profit and loss generator. As you can see, this is a powerful Google Sheets bookkeeping template. If you're interested in diving deeper into all the tools and features that this template offers, I will link a dedicated tutorial down below. Now, if you love our Google Sheets bookkeeping template, Sheetify Bookkeeping, we also have 3 other powerful Google Sheets templates for small businesses. We have Sheetify CRM, Projects, and Inventory. I'll add more information about these toolkits down below in the description below this video. However, that is it for this Sheetify bookkeeping overview. You can enjoy this Google Sheets bookkeeping template for one small price. No subscriptions, and you'll get access to lifetime updates and access. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.